In last 3 days I have created 3 automation project. Like you can include this project in your resume if you are in a college, or if you are want to learn AI and like want to do automation, you can also use this project. So first I will show you the result. So this is the our page where blogs are posted. You can see like 4 blogs are posted here. So first project is like automating the blogs on my website on WordPress. Okay, so guys, this is my code. I will run it and show you. So code is running. Okay, generating the blog, starting the generation process, and it will take few seconds and the blog will be posted here. It will be reflecting here. Okay, so guys, I think work is done maybe. So still the command is not running. So guys, as you can also make these type of automations, and I think n8n is the tool which allow you to automate without any coding, but that's very easy to make some project with coding. So basically I will prefer Python over n8n. So guys, look at my terminal. Blog is posted successfully. Let's check the blog. Okay, we will refresh this site and blog is added here. You can see 4 blogs are in past and now this one is added. Okay, so this is our blog. Okay, so as prompt change, my blog will change. I have given a huge prompt. So guys, you can also make this type of project, and if you want to learn to make things, make your work automation, okay, you can join Techno Thinkers, and it is a free course. Oh guys, like I am also learning and posting here. So guys, please support, and I will show you other 2 projects also, and I will show you how I made these in the last 3 days. 3 automation, 3 days. Thank you guys.